This might be the most beautiful wagon on the market today. The 2025 Audi A5 Avant has arrived, and it's challenging everything you thought you knew about estate cars. Let's dive into this stylish German machine that's making SUV owners question their life choices. Hey everyone, that gorgeous vehicle you're looking at is actually called the A5 Avant, not A4. Audi's saving the A4 name for future electric vehicles, which explains the new badging on this premium wagon. From the front, that wide grille and sharp LED headlights create an imposing presence. The profile shows off those perfectly proportioned lines that somehow make hauling cargo look sexy. Around back, those distinctive taillights complete a design that's distinctly Audi, but fresh and modern. Under the hood, you've got options. The entry-level 2-liter petrol makes 148 horsepower, while the more potent version delivers 201 horses. For long-distance drivers, the diesel brings impressive fuel economy without sacrificing performance, hitting 62 miles per hour in just 7.7 seconds. Add Quattro all-wheel drive and that drops to 6.9 seconds. Step inside, and you're greeted by what might be the most tech-forward interior in its class. The curved display combines an 11.9-inch digital instrument cluster with a 14.5-inch infotainment touchscreen. These OLED displays are incredibly crisp with vibrant colors that really pop. Most functions are controlled via touchscreen or voice commands, with just a few physical buttons for essentials. Want more excitement? The S5 Avant packs a 362 horsepower V6 that sounds fantastic and delivers impressive acceleration. All versions come with a 7-speed automatic that's smooth in normal driving and more responsive in dynamic mode. Behind the wheel, this A5 Avant feels more engaging than its predecessor. The steering is precise, turn-in is crisp, and there's plenty of grip for confidence in corners. While the BMW 3 Series Touring might have a slight edge in pure sportiness, the Audi delivers a more comfortable ride for daily driving. Now, for practicality. The A5 Avant offers up to 476 liters of cargo space, slightly less than the BMW 3 Series Touring's 500 liters. Rear passenger space is good for adults under 6 feet tall, but taller passengers might find headroom a bit tight. The 40-20-40 split rear seats and powered tailgate add everyday versatility. Starting at over 40,000 pounds, the A5 Avant isn't cheap, but you definitely get what you pay for. The blend of driving refinement, cutting-edge tech, and understated luxury creates a compelling package for those who prefer wagons to SUVs. In a world obsessed with crossovers, the 2025 Audi A5 Avant makes a strong case for the traditional estate car. It's stylish, packed with technology, engaging to drive, and offers practical versatility for everyday life. If you've been waiting for a reason to choose a wagon over an SUV, this stunning Audi might just be it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.